On this rainy afternoon, I forgot the soap in my room. Then you hit me as you passed me, pulling me out of my thoughts. You want this rain. No, I just can't complain. See this stare, making me feel like I can't seem to air out these thoughts to you. Dripping rains, making me want to kiss and tell, for I never want to hide this connection. Oh, what a beauty you are. Mona Lisa stands no chance. Call up Da Vinci, for he will have to see with his very eyes, these eyes that slow down time, one blink at a time. My thoughts can't seem to handle the speed of these thoughts. With you by my side, I will never see a bad day or a day with clouds and rain. Only sun and rains, draining our souls with love and care that we ought to share.
Hashtag original LG.